Hello everybody, hope you're all doing well. Today in this course we'll see how to calculate the greatest common divisor by using the Euclidean division algorithm given by the formula number A equals to number B times the quotient Q plus the remainder R. So, let's see how this works. Let's say that we have this yellow formula and two numbers. Say that A is equal to 168 and B is equal to 25. Keep in mind that this method is used primarily in universities and colleges, and you have to have a calculator on you. You cannot do this without a calculator. So, let's get started. 160. Step 1. Step 1. We'll do the division in the calculator. 168 divided by 25. So let's open the calculator and let's input 168 divided by 25. That's equal to 6.72. That is equal to 6.72. So here the only thing we need is this one. So what we need to do next is this. We are going to pick this green number here and we are going to multiply it by this orange number here. This is 150. And what's left is that we need to do this thing here. 168 minus 150, which is 18, and this number here is the remainder. We will be continuing this whole process until we find R either equal to 0 or equal to 1. So, step 2. Same procedure. This time we are going to be picking this number here, the green one, and we will divide it by the remainder. As always, this thing we will be doing it with the use of a calculator. So 25 divided by 18 equals to 1.3888 blah blah blah. So I only need 1.3, and what I really need is 1, the integer part here. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm going to pick this one and multiply it by this one. So it is 18 times 1 equals 18. And then I am picking this one and I'm doing 25 minus 18, which is 7. So the new remainder, is 7. It's not 0, it's not 1, so I'm not stopping. I'm going to be continuing the whole process until I find R to be either 0 or 1. So, let me create a little more space here. So, third step, same thing. I'm gonna be getting this thing divided by 7. So, step 3, 18 divided by 7 is equal to 18 divided by 7, 2.5 blah blah blah. The only thing we care about here is 2, the integer part, is equal to 2. 7 times 2 is 14. 18 minus 14 equals 4. The new R is 4, so I'm not done yet. Step 4, let me go a little higher so that I can see the numbers. This one divided by this one, 7 divided by 4 equals 1 point something. I only care about 1. 4 times 1 is 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. So the new remainder, is 3. And I believe we're almost done. Step 5. Four divided by 3. 4 divided by 3 is equal to, let's see, 1 point something. 4 divided by 3, 1.3333, etc., etc. We only care about 1. 3 times 1 is equal to 3, and 4 minus 3 is 1. So the final remainder is 1. At the beginning I told you that if you find the remainder either to be 0 or to be 1, you stop. If you find 1, then the GCD of 168 and 25 is equal to 1. But if you have found that the remainder here was 0, say that here the remainder was 0, then you would go to the previous one and you would have said that the GCD would be 3. I'll give you an example on the next video where the remainder is 0, the final remainder is 0, so we stop, and the GCD is the previous remainder. Here is exactly where we stop. So that was the method to calculate the greatest common divisor. That was one of the methods. We'll show another one in the future. As always, If you found the video helpful, please like the video. Please consider subscribing. It helps me a lot with the growth of the channel. And see you in the next one. Bye.